Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wasn't able to record my intro, so I do apologize. And here I first go in with my Morphe concealer in the shade C2.45 as my eyeshadow primer. I just find it best when I use my concealer instead of an actual eye primer. And then I went in with my AIRSPUN translucent powder to set the concealer. Right there I'm using the, what are those brushes called? The ones from the Naked palettes. They come in the Naked Urban Decay palettes. And that yellow shade is from the James Charles palette. I believe it's called B, the color. And that one other one, I have no idea what the name is, but it's from the Morphe 35B palette. I use that one to make the color pop out, stand out a little bit more, make it shiny. Put a little bit on my brow bone with that same brush. Blend it all out. Now those two are I received those from LA Colors, and one of them is black. The other one, I believe, is just called metallic gold. I'm not sure. I have to go back and double check that. But yeah, just outline your liner. Don't color it in. Just make sure it's like a nice thick liner. So when you fill in the gold, it's you guys get the picture. You guys could see. Just fill that in. Yep. Look at me dancing. Now you move on to the top side. That's just my outline. And it's roughly, it doesn't have to be perfect. The outline, just so you know where you want the line to be, you know, the thickness of it. You start building it up little by little. Make sure to do it little by little, because if you're a beginner and you do it quick and then you mess up, yeah, it's gonna be a little harder for you to correct it. So just do it little by little. It did take some time, so I kept going back and forth. Now I go in with my gold again. That metallic, I'm pretty sure it's metallic something. Outline the bottom of it, make it stand out a little more. Just very lightly. And then I do some dots. I have no idea why I did the dots, but the dots are there. Can't take them off now. Moving on to the other eye, which I did off camera. Trying on those lashes. That mascara I got from my local swap meet. Only mascara I actually use. It doesn't run down or nothing. I love it. Yeah. Those lashes are from... I think those lashes I got from Wish. Yeah, I got those lashes from Wish. They came in a packet of 5 for $2. So if you guys haven't tried the Wish lashes, you guys need to. And they're cheap. Only thing that I hate about them is that they take forever to arrive. Now, that is a glitter eyeliner that I got from my local swap meet also. And now I am priming my face to get ready for my foundation with the Angel Veil from NYX. And now I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 220. Yeah, that brush has no name. I just know it's from Wish also. I like to take a little bit of the foundation in a little brush after for my eyebrows because I don't like to mess them up. So I just outline that out. And make sure it's nice and blended in the front because I don't like a very sharp line in the front at the front corner. Going back in with my Morphe concealer in the shade 2.45, I'm sorry. That is from Makeup Revolution, the Conceal and Define in the shade C13. Now my Urban Decay setting spray to set it all in. Get it a little wet before I start blending it. Get the canvas wet. Blend, blend, blend. I need to wash all of my brushes and my sponges, but I've been so lazy. I don't know if you guys could hear that, but there's a really bad storm right now. There was a storm during this time, so I had to really hurry up and do my makeup just in case, the electricity went out or something. So I was working kind of quick. Make sure you blend everything out nicely. Add your setting powder, whatever you use. I like the AIRSPUN translucent. Look at me chewing that gum. Yeah, don't judge me. Sorry. There I'm using my Makeup Revolution, the contour. I believe it's their contour palette, something like that. The blush I also used, it was the Tarte, I think, Feisty. Yeah. And those brushes are from Morphe. Well, that one isn't. That one came in the Wish thing also. And my highlight is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Amrezi highlight. I'm sorry for pronouncing it wrong. I can't say it. Now I am carving out with my sponge. I'm carving out my cheeks with my sponge. Get that little line going. That brush is from Mikasa brushes. I have no idea which one, but it's the biggest one they have. Now I'm going in with that same color I used before for my inner corners from the James Charles palette, the B, I believe. Yeah, B. And then I also, right there I was thinking what color I should use next because I figured it needed a little bit of pop of color. So I went in with the, I have no idea what it's called, but it's from the 35B palette from Morphe also. See, that little pop. I got something in my eye. Looking cute. I'm going back in with that same mascara I got from the swap meet. I don't know about you guys, but I like my mascara to look a little bit, messy. Yeah, I got my mascara all over the place. Can you see it on my nose? It's okay, just let it dry. Wipe off the excess powder. See, once it's dry, you can get a Q-tip and just wipe it off, but very, very gently, and then go back with the beauty blender, and then it's like it never happened. See? Smile. Now, trying to figure out what I want to use. I think I should have just gone with the red one. Now that I think about it, it would have been a better fit. But I always, for some reason, like to play it safe, so I went with the brown one. Yeah. You guys let me know down below in the comment box what color I should have used. I really think I should have used the red one, though. That color I had bought from... I don't know. I forgot. I'm sorry. I'll leave it down in the description box where I got it from. It's really nice. It feels really light on the lips also, and it dries up matte. And that lipstick I used lastly, it was from Morphe. Now this is the final look, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and please subscribe. Stay tuned for any upcoming videos. See ya.